And breaking news coming in, Supreme Court hears the Sambhal case and CJI in a very notable argument says we want peace and harmony. Supreme Court says no further action by lower court till Jan 8. Supreme Court has also said, asked the Mosque Committee to move High Court. No action by trial court till High Court hears this case is the major key point that is coming in from the SC hearing. My colleague Sunil Prabhu is also joining me. Sunil, take us through the courtroom updates.
Well, it was the Chief Justice of India who was very clear and very firm, telling the Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Nataraj, who was present in the court, that we want peace and communal harmony to be followed. We are not reflecting or saying anything in this matter at the present stage. We don't want any action to take place until the High Court hears this matter, which is expected to come on the 8th of December, where it is listed, making it absolutely clear that the district magistrate must act, ensure peace committees are there. We don't want the law and order situation to go out of hand. I think he was very firm in, saying this point, saying that the lower court has, marked it for January to hear, but nothing should be done until the High Court disposes of this matter, where it will take whatever decisions when it hears this entire issue. And has left it open in the Supreme Court for further decisions if required in January. So it's in that context that the Supreme Court taking a very, very strong view, wanting communal peace and harmony to be maintained, directing the central government to ensure that that is done. The district magistrates must be told, their peace committees must be activated, and whatever needs to be done to ensure that the law and order situation doesn't go out of hand.
Right, and Sunil, what will happen to the survey report that is being conducted by the ASI?
All that no action will be taking place right now until the High Court hears the matter. And that is the decision of the Supreme Court. So no action will take place at this present moment. And once the High Court hears this matter, hopefully by the 8th of December, that is what the Chief Justice of India indicated, then a final call can be taken, whatever decision the High Court takes, because that's also open for appeal before the Supreme Court, because the Supreme Court has still kept it open. And they, as you saw, a tough-talking Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, making it clear and directing the central government to ensure law and order is maintained, that district magistrates must activate peace committees and see that the situation does not go out of hand.
Right. And Sunil, if you can, in brief, tell our viewers about this whole controversy around the Sambhal Mosque.
Well, there has been a huge dispute, as you know. It's, about the fact that there was a Hindu temple or, I think I'm not getting into the merits of this because it's extremely communally sensitive issue. But nevertheless, it's something that has been ordered, something that the trial court has said. It's now been stayed. At present, I think the focus is to ensure communal harmony and peace and law and order. And I think that's uppermost in the minds for the people of Rajasthan and across this country to follow the letter and spirit of what the Chief Justice of India a short while said and has asked the district magistrate to take appropriate measures, something the Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Nataraj, very categorically said we are in complete agreement with the Chief Justice of India on this entire issue.
Right, Sunil, do you think such comments by the Chief Justice will set precedent for further cases as well?
Well, definitely there is no doubt about it, because there has been an attempt on a continuous basis after the 1999 one. There was a moratorium on all religious structures as well as religious shrines. And there has been in the recent days and months or years, and there has been an attempt to a great extent to look at certain issues afresh. This is a clear indicator that the Chief Justice of India, at least the present one, has made it clear, do not touch this matter till the High Court hears it. It's very clear that we are not commenting on it right now, but we are leaving it open And we want to ensure that law and order, peace, and communal harmony is maintained.
Sunil, any word given to the UP government as well? UP government has formed, committee over the violence that erupted soon after this. ASI started conducting a survey over the mosque. Any word of caution to the government as well on how they need to maintain law and order?
Well, nothing on that. That they haven't said. That was not an issue that it came. There was something that had been to be required further hearing, which they said will need extensive time. So they decided to leave that for the 9th of December at 2 p.m. So right now, no comment on that at this stage. But I think the general drift is understood by the government of India. No less than the ASG, on behalf of the centre, is assuring and saying that we don't want this, and we will ensure peace and communal harmony will take place, and no further movement should take place on the Ajmer Sharif, religious structure and whatever has been ordered in terms of the survey. It's definitely something that is creating a huge amount of anxiety, especially amongst the minorities.